Welcome to the Quadcopter review. I'm your host, Pepe Prawns. Today is March 6th, the first day of our two-part giveaway of the Newbeedrone Acrobee V2. So today we're going to pick our first winner of one of the two of these Acrobee V2s. As always, don't forget to look up in your right-hand corner right now. If you're not in on this giveaway already, go ahead and go to that video in the latest giveaways and put your name in a comment there, and you'll be entered in for the second one. Always remember to like and subscribe to the channel. You must be a subscriber to win. So if you haven't seen this before, I always say that. Let's go ahead and copy the link, go to our random YouTube picker, paste it in. See how many comments we get. Sorry for that interruption, guys. The UPS guy showed up and the dogs went crazy, but we're back. And as I mentioned, we put in the URL. We get the YouTube comments. We're going to have 439 unique commenters on this video. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go down and we'll press that start button, and we're going to see who wins. Don't forget, if you are overseas, because anybody is able to win, if you're overseas, I will drop ship to you. It's just cheaper to go through them than it is through me. But our winner is Slugfuls Vamp. Slugfuls Vamp. Hope that's right. Seems like it is. So, Slugfuls Vamp, really nice giveaway. Keep it up. So, what you need to do, my friend, is email me. Pepe, P-E-P-E, Prawns, P-R-A-W-N-S, that's P-E-P-P-R-A-W-N-S, at thequadcopterreview.com. Email me there, we'll get your information, we'll get this squared away, I'll verify it's you so nobody tries to hijack your prize, and we'll get this shipped out to you. So, as always, guys, on any of my giveaways, you have 7 days to redeem the win. So I know having that bell on is lame, but sometimes that helps. If not, make sure when you're looking at these videos that you mark down the dates and you come back and check, because after 7 days I'm going to have to put it in the pile for the end of year giveaway. So can't hold on to them forever. So let's go ahead and talk about the next one. We have the next one coming up on March 15th. Don't forget to come back March 15th for that giveaway. And after I'm done here, I'm going to go ahead and record the winner video of the Airblades Super 75X frame kit and get that out to that winner. So stay tuned. As always, don't forget to watch for giveaways and make sure you subscribe to the channel, because subscribers win. All right, guys, happy flying. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the Quadcopter review. If you want to see more interesting reviews on FPV related stuff, take a look up here in the old right corner right there. You'll find links to all the rest of my reviews. If you want to get in on some of the best giveaways on YouTube, look over here. Don't forget to subscribe right here on my chin. And if you want to check out my flying only videos separated from the review channel, check that out right here. Thanks for coming. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy flying.